In the breakneck speed of digital chatting, sometimes our emotional messages get lost in translation. Imagine texting your partner K instead of a longer, more thoughtful response. This seemingly harmless misfire can spiral into misinterpretations of indifference or frustration. Knowing the potential pitfalls, like anticipating misunderstandings due to brevity, empowers young audiences to be proactive in their text conversations. Encourage them to clarify intentions when doubt arises, using voice notes or face-to-face chats for important talks. By recognizing the ripple effect of these small misfires, you create opportunities to strengthen relational bonds, rather than letting assumptions take the helm.